Hello everyone and welcome to the Pixie Dust Dolls Miniverse. After waiting way too long, we are finally checking out one of Zuru's latest hits, 5 Surprise My Mini Babies. Seriously, I've been trying to get my hands on these suckers for months and had zero luck. The Walmarts and Targets around here never got them, and the packs at Amazon are either way overpriced or out of stock. So I was shocked when I found these at our local HEB. Moral of that story, never underestimate the toy aisle of a grocery store. So, for the first time in Pixie Dust Dolls history, we're going to do a baby-related video and see how these little babies compare with our Barbie dolls. I have got 3 capsules here. They say My Mini Baby on the front. And around the side here, we've got a picture of the babies. Oh, and before I forget, I paid about $9 for these. They were $8.30 each, add in some tax, and that's roughly $9 per capsule. So yeah, getting back to our little capsule here. On this side, we have the 5 Surprise logo. And just so you know, you can find the listing for these on Amazon, even if they're not in stock, by navigating to the 5 Surprise store. Just click on any 5 Surprise toy, then follow the link under that listing to the 5 Surprise store, and scroll down till you see My Mini Baby. As of right now, the My Mini Babies seem to be fluctuating in and out of stock. Hopefully this will all change soon because not only is it pricier than what My Mini Babies should retail for, it takes like months for them to ship. Also, if you're looking for these, make sure you're on the 5 Surprise store and not the Mini Brand store, because My Mini Babies are not the same as Mini Brands. Now then, let's finish looking at the capsule. This second layer here is mint green with polka dots, and on the bottom it says that the wrappers are made from recycled plastic. And here it says there are 12 babies to collect in this initial series. And then there's our zipper, which fingers crossed will tear smoothly. And it looks like that's it. So let's go ahead and start opening. Capsule open. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, is that 4? Yep. 4 little bags, and I guess, let's see, what's this? Oh, it's a birth certificate. So the baby comes with a paperboard birth certificate. There are lines here where you can write the baby's name and when it was born. This kind of reminds me of a Cabbage Patch Kids birth certificate. And here we've got catalog, and it's got a picture of the babies, or one of the babies right there, and so looks like got like a changing thing. And yeah, that's all really cute. Okay, and there is the collector guide. So we've got 12 to collect. We've got like a pink category, a green category, and a yellow category. And since this is kind of hard to see on camera, I'll be sure to put up a screenshot so y'all can get a good look at the different pieces. Okay, so really cute. Let's see what we've got here. Let's start with, I guess, okay, we'll start with this accessory right here. Pretty sure this accessory number 1. And let's open it and make sure it is. And what do we have? We've got a stroller. Okay, I really wanted a stroller. I'm really excited about this. Let me just adjust this camera. Okay, I'm going to put this together like really quick, just so we can see what it looks like. And I think I'm going to have the put the assembly stuff right here. So there are our pieces. Step 1, the basket. Where's the basket? Oh, okay. Basket's in here. Oh, we got a yellow one, so I guess that means we got this one right here. Okay, cool. So the color sort of gives away the baby, I guess. Not a big deal. And we're going to attach the little bonnet. Wait a minute. Give me a second here, guys. I can do this. No. Handle. Okay, that was really weird. I have never struggled to build a mini brand accessory, but this stroller was slightly more complicated than like the grocery carts and shelves. So be sure to follow the instructions when snapping the pieces together, and they do snap together pretty easily. I just needed to assemble it off camera so I could get it up close and see which parts went where. Anyway, it's a very cute stroller. It's yellow with white polka dots. Obviously, it's too small for our Barbies. However, it is the perfect size for 1/12 scale dolls like Tinkerbell. Now then, let's see what's in our next bag. Okay, so we got a little bottle, and is that it? Nope, we got something else here. Okay, good, yes. I wanted to get the diaper. Okay, so here we have a little diaper and a little yellow like sippy cup thing. It's really cute. And now for the big reveal, which baby we got. I'm gonna see, safe to cut this corner right here. I'm gonna try and be very careful. There we go. And let's see. Oh, come on. There we go. What did we get? We got, oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's our little baby. And give me just 1 second because we're going to put a diaper on him. Here's our little baby with his diaper. And the diaper just velcros on like that. Let's bring him up close to the camera. And oh my goodness, this little babe is so adorable. The details on his face are amazing. They're not as pronounced as the promo pictures, but you can see his eyes, eyebrows, and lips, and there's even a little blushing on his cheeks. So there we have our first little baby. Let's put him in his stroller here, which definitely needs some sort of pad or cushion. And then here's his sippy cup. And to be honest, I wish this was more like a traditional bottle because our baby is too little for this type of cup. I mean, he's just a newborn. But that's not a big deal. We can always make a bottle or even get a pack of miniature baby bottles at the craft store for a couple of bucks. So we've got plenty of options there. So our first My Mini Baby was the one with the yellow stroller and baby bottle. I'm going to wheel him over here so we can open up our next capsule. There we go. And here are our packages. Looks like we've got 3 of them. And then here's the certificate and collector's guide. Put that off to the side here. So the first capsule had 4 packages, but this one only has 3. And I think we'll open the big one first. No, wait a second. Why don't we open our baby first? Yes, this is our baby. Now that I think about it, this might not have been the best idea because I don't have a diaper yet. So our baby's going to be totally exposed. And here is our second little baby. And she is so super cute. But like I said, she's diaperless. So I'm just going to set her aside for a second and see if we can find a diaper. There we go. That bag is empty. And we have a little green pad. And yes, there's a diaper. Okay, our baby is now nicely covered and camera ready. And I'm just going to say it again. I cannot get over the realism here. No, they're not as detailed as a handmade silicone baby. Still, they are incredibly well done and definitely more budget friendly. And now let's check out the accessories. It looks like we have a little book here. It says Sweet Dreams Baby on the front, and on the inside is a readable story with really cute illustrations. So yeah, the book's pretty neat. I'm definitely going to use it in a mini nursery, which is on my project list, but we'll talk about that later. Let's open our last bag, which I'm pretty sure has pieces for building a bouncer. And there they are. Whoops! My little toys just ran everywhere. There we go. There's all of our pieces. And here are the instructions showing us how to put it together. Hopefully it's easier than the stroller. Okay, that was way easier to build, probably because there were fewer pieces. So this here is the green themed bouncer. It has a white frame and the cushion has green and white stripes. And you can probably tell that the cushion isn't fabric. It's either very soft rubber or silicone. I'm guessing silicone because it's kind of squishy. We also have a safety strap to keep the baby from falling out, as well as some little rattles hanging off the handle for her to play with. Now then, let's take our baby, lay her on the pad, wrap the safety strap around her legs so she doesn't fall out. And to secure the strap, you just pull the tiny tabs at the ends of the straps through the holes in the back of the cushion, and that's it. Our mini baby is nice and safe in her bouncer, which, along with being totally adorable, is also compatible with our Barbies and will look great in our 6-scale scenes. So there's baby number 2 with all her little accessories. Now let's open our very last capsule. There we go. So again, we have our birth certificate and collector's guide. And I guess we'll start with this bag here, which it looks like it's holding something yellow. Let's see what it is. Oh, look at that. Okay, make sure I got everything out of here. So here we have a flat yellow pad with white polka dots, and it's the same squishy material as the bouncer cushion, which I'm pretty sure is silicone. We also have a yellow swaddle and a yellow headband. The headband is plastic and has a bow on the front. We can play around more with that in just a sec. First, let's open this big bag here, and I think these are the pieces for a changing table. Yep, here we go. Let's pull this out. Bag is empty. We'll get to this bag here in a minute. Let's go ahead and assemble this changing table. And to save time, I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. Okay, here is our changing table all put together. It's white with a wood grain texture, and we have 3 shelves for holding mini baby essentials. And then the pad sets on top. It has tiny tabs on the bottom, just like the bouncer cushion, and you just push those into the corresponding holes in the tabletop to pin it down. Now let's go ahead and open the baby, but first we need to bring the swaddle over because I think we're going to need it since we didn't get a diaper. There you go, my friends. Meet our third My Mini Baby. Let's wrap her in her swaddle. I think I can do this without exposing her. We'll just lay her on the blanket, fold the bottom section up over her legs, wrap the sides around her, then fasten the Velcro in the front. And just like that, our mini baby is nicely wrapped up. The swaddle feels kind of fleecy. It has a cloud decal on the front, which I just noticed is upside down. So much for my swaddling skills. We can put her headband on. I'm trying to do this without squashing her face. There we go, a little bundle of miniature cuteness. We'll just put her here on the changing table and bring back our other 2 babies. Here's the baby with the rocker and the one with the stroller. And let's not forget our tiny baby accessories. And that, my friends, is our first look at My Mini Babies by Zuru. Now, let's skip on over to one of our doll rooms and see how they look with our Barbies. Here is our newly constructed nursery. I haven't had time to make any furniture, so right now it's just walls. Lucky for us, the babies came with some mini furnishings, and even though some of them aren't to scale, they'll have to do for now. Let's bring in a Barbie doll. This is Miss Petra, one of our star models. Congratulations, girl, you're a mom. What? You said this was a photo shoot. Just joking. Petra's not quite ready for motherhood. She's just helping show off our tiny babe. As far as size goes, I think they're perfect for Barbies. I know some collectors feel they're a bit small, and maybe they are, but it's so slight you'd never notice. At least I wouldn't. Now, I will say I'd love to see a little more variety. Right now, the only difference between the babies is skin tone. I think it'd be great if future waves had different sculpts. Assuming Zuru continues making them, which I'm sure they will, seeing as how popular they are. It also wouldn't hurt to sharpen their facial details. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate the softness, but I do think it'd be nice if their eyes and lips were a tad clearer. If that never happens though, it's not a problem because we can always bring out those details ourselves using artist pencils or acrylic paint. Just remember that customizing has risks. which is why I usually save my experimenting for duplicates. I just took a chance on this one, and I think she turned out pretty good. As for the undersides accessories, we'll either have to alter them or make new ones. We could probably get crafty with the changing table and raise it up using cardboard, foam board, or thin wood. The stroller, however, is a bit more complicated because of the wheels, so I'm pretty sure that's something we'll have to create from scratch. The bouncer, on the other hand, looks fine next to our Barbies, so no modifications needed here. Still, this little stroller won't go to waste because it's just the right size for our smaller dolls like Chelsea and, of course, Tink. And with that, I will conclude today's episode. I hope you all had fun opening these My Mini Babies with us. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and as always, be sure to check out our blog, www.pixiedustdolls.com. And we'll see you again soon for more doll-sized fun. Bye!